Right, so waiting time again is now over. So let me just share my screen. Okay, so can you guys see my screen now?
Yes, sir.
All right, so again, the point in here is we can use math to estimate how many meters we can travel, okay, during if we have this kind of speed and if we have this kind of time, okay, so we can predict or control, right? And then here's the summary. So patterns and numbers in natures in the world. So patterns are regular, repeated, or recurring forms or designs, and patterns are commonly observed in natural objects. And for exponential growth model, population growth and bacterial decay can be modeled by the exponential growth or decay for this formula. A is equal to P times E raised to R times T. So we can predict what is the population at this year, or what is the bacterial decay after a certain time. Okay, and then sequence. So a sequence is an ordered list of numbers called terms that may have repeated values. And then Fibonacci sequence. The Fibonacci sequence is formed by adding the preceding two numbers. Okay, so just check this one out on the internet. Okay, but this is already the main idea of this Fibonacci sequence, preceding two numbers. Just add them. And then mathematics helps organize patterns and regularities in the world. And then mathematics help predict the behavior of nature and phenomena in the world, as well as helps humans exert control over occurrences in the world for the advancement of our civilization. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the module one. And just an additional announcement. So to those who haven't submitted their 1 minute video yet, so please submit them before September 30th. So yeah, you guys still have 11 days, okay, from now, but the earlier the better. Okay, so I would like you guys to say your name, your education, description of your gadgets, your expectation to me and to this course, and then others that you would like to see more. Okay, so as of now, there were only 8 who submitted their 1 minute video. So I would like, or I would love to learn more about you guys. So who are you? Where are you from? Especially that you are CPE. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the module one, and then for today's meeting. So do you guys have a question so far? Questions or clarification?
Ako, sir. Sir.
Mhm.
Yung dito sa population growth.
Mhm.
Sa may population growth, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yung E.
Mhm.
Yung E, sir.
Yes, yes. So what's about E?
Dito sa sa letter B kasi dito sa problem. Hindi ko alam paano nakuha yung 1.5555271.
What slide is that?
Yan,
This
sir.
one.
Opo.
Because E is equal to 2.718. Okay, so this is E, Euler's constant. This is a constant value. We can also find that one on our calculator. Okay, so if you are going to check the letter E in here, so in my case, it's on the right side. So E raised to 1 is 2.718281828. So it actually has more decimal point, but I've only get up to 4 decimals. So yeah, I've also mentioned that one in your seat work. Like if you're going to use E, okay, you must exactly put 2.718, not the letter E on the calculator, because it has more decimals, and then there's a big chance that we're going to have a different results. Okay, so for us to have a common result, okay, so let's stick with this value up to 4 decimals only. Up to 3 decimals, but 2.718. Okay. So was I able to answer your question, Mr. Cian de la Cruz?
Then, di ba 2.718, sir, yung value ng E?
Mhm.
Then, A times dito sa ano? Multiply dito. 0.44.
Raise. You have to raise that one. Okay, 2.718. So the 0.44 is an exponent. Raised to 0.44. And then you will get 1.55263638.4. But in here, I've only get up to 5 decimals.
Okay, sir. Thank you po.
Okay. So what about the others? Do you guys have a concern? Question? Okay. So if you don't have a question anymore, then you guys may no go. So thank you for coming. I really appreciate it. So I hope still have this count of participants to our following meetings. So goodbye and thank you. So see you guys next meeting and keep safe.
Goodbye, sir. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Yes, sir.
Goodbye,
Thank you,
sir.
Bye, sir.
sir.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Bye, sir. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Goodbye.
Hi, sir. Sir, one of my classmates accidentally pressed to start the quiz already. Is there any way that she can take it again though po? Because she accidentally pressed it po.
Who is that?
Sir, sir, si
Uh,
Ben, I don't know how to say her name.
Okay, so tell him or her na just message me on the canvas so I can
Yes,
give
sir.
him or her one more chance. Okay, or an attempt. Kasi one time attempt lang talaga lahat yan. Okay, there's no more
Yes, sir.
second time. Okay,
Sige po, sir. Salamat, sir.
you're welcome. Miss Paliyang. So is she the one? Okay, what about you guys? Do you guys have a question?
None po, sir. Goodbye po.
Goodbye. Okay, so if you guys don't have a question anymore, then I will end our meeting now. Okay, goodbye and thank you.
Bye, sir.